Hi, and welcome to the LB0 Fox India YouTube channel. I'm Morton, LB0 Fox India. And does the perfect go box, go case, go bag exist? Not really. You have to build them for the purpose, and this is one example of that. This is one of those hard cases which you can get from about a dozen manufacturers. This one is bought for a specific purpose. It's bought to fit inside a backpack for when I'm hiking with the radio. So this is a QRP Go kit containing the necessities for QRP operation. The case itself is 34 by 29 by 15 centimeters. It is IP65 rated, and it's water, dust, and shockproof to a certain degree. So absolutely a good case for the purpose. And it can even serve as a table when you're operating portable. So what have I put inside this case? Let's open it up and take a look. And as you can see, the case has really solid latches, so there's no chance that these will pop out open if not intended to. But let's open it up and take a look. So as you can see, there's not much in here, and this is just the bare necessities, let's say for parks on the air or summits on the air activation. We have a short length of RG58 here, not coiled properly, but it fits inside the case. We have the power cable for the X6100 in here, in case I need to use an external battery. And for that purpose, I got this 12-volt power bank that I've talked about and shown you a lot of times. Absolutely a lifesaver for portable operations. And finally, just to have everything fused, I got the temporarily offline fuse box here by Steve, KM9G. I'm really happy that I got one of these because I'm able to fuse everything really easily when out doing portable operation. Got power poles on both ends. I've done a video on this, so check that out if you want to know more. Furthermore, I have the microphone for the X6100. And you could argue that the X6100's got a built-in microphone and you don't really need a separate microphone, but trust me, I prefer to use this. I also have one more item which I don't have anything for right here, right now. And that's the USB-C cable that I use for Digimodes in case I bring a laptop. If so, I'll keep the laptop in a separate compartment in the backpack, but this way I don't forget the cable. And finally, we have the X6100 itself. And as you can see, I've plucked out just enough foam for everything to fit, so the radio itself is well protected. And that's about it. And this is, as you can see, one of those cases where you just pluck out pieces of foam to make any shape you want. And on a side note, this compartment here, you might ask yourself why I have one small and one large. Should I need to bring my amplifier, the amplifier fits in this compartment, which means I gotta pack some equipment otherwhere, but I still have both the radio and the amplifier protected if needed. So, what do you guys think? Have I brought everything I need? Is there anything else I should bring? Have I brought too much? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, 7-3.